This microneedling RF machine combines microneedle and radiofrequency energy for minimally invasive fractional therapy. Under the control of the electronic system, dozens of insulated needles quickly penetrated the epidermis at the same time, emitting radiofrequency energy from the needle tip, and then quickly ejecting the skin. The radiofrequency energy penetrates deep into the skin through tiny needles, causing minimal damage, opening the skin's absorption channels, allowing nutrient products to enter the skin, and triggering the body's natural healing response. At this time, the heat stimulation generated by the radiofrequency stimulates the skin's self-repair mechanism, liquefies and destroys fat cells, shrinks large areas of soft tissue, and stimulates the production of skin fibrous tissue and collagen. This process can reduce fat, reshape, tighten, and lift the skin. In addition, radiofrequency can also destroy sebaceous gland secretion, inhibit inflammation, eliminate acne bacteria, reduce oil secretion, significantly improve enlarged pores, and effectively treat inflammatory acne. For various skin problems, such as rough and sagging skin, fine lines and wrinkles, acne marks, acne pits, scars, stretch marks, etc. This machine is also equipped with 2 handles and for sizes of needles which can be used on different parts. The 12-pin needle is for small treatment areas such as around the eyes and nose. 24-pin needle is for forehead, chin, face, and neck. 40-pin needle is for body parts or larger treatment areas. Nanocrystal needles focus on firming and lifting the skin.